This reminds me of like trigonometry or something.
Welcome to DIY Connection, the ultimate test of communication, creativity, and construction. You may now remove your blindfolds.
Oh my.
This is gonna be fun.
Okay, cute. Oh my gosh. Okay, wait, what are you seeing over there?
A bunch of pieces. I don't exactly know what it is
Oh,
yet.
there's a whole thing right here. Am I doing the directions?
I'm pretty sure that's what's going on.
I think you're the guider, the reader.
No, not the reader. I think you're gonna be telling me how to put this thing together.
Oh, thank God. I was worried because this is a whole packet. Okay, cool, we can do that.
I'm your host, and I'm here to guide you through this exciting adventure. Here's how it works. We challenge couples to work together to build a piece of furniture. Joining us today are Isaiah and Brooke, a dynamic duo with an unbreakable bond. Isaiah will take on the role of builder, while Brooke becomes his navigator. The big question is, do they have what it takes to complete the challenge and win? Isaiah and Brooke, are you ready?
Yes.
Yes, I'm super ready.
You have 60 minutes and your time starts now.
Describe the pieces to me.
This is a dresser.
Okay.
You can see that, right? Or no?
No.
All right, so yeah, it's a
The
dresser
pieces
with...
are just spread out everywhere. The ladder looking pieces on it.
Did I mention that we threw in some decoy pieces to shake things up?
Yeah, those are the bottom 4 legs.
The ladder part.
You see a ladder?
That's right, Brooke and Isaiah have no clue that some pieces are useless.
All right, I'm just gonna follow your lead.
So do you have a screwdriver over there? What do you call that? Yeah, screwdriver.
Yes.
A white square.
Where there's a bunch of those.
Do you see 2 of them?
I see like 10 of them. I kind of felt like I was in the middle of nowhere. I don't have no numbers. I don't have none of that.
Okay. I see what's going on here.
Yup.
Now, Brooke, you didn't think we'd make it that easy, did you?
This was definitely more on the challenging side, but I am so happy that I was not on the other end. That's like anxiety 101, for real. You take those silver things
And place them where?
and place them in the holes on top.
On top of which one?
Do you want to win?
Yes, I do want to win. But you have to like explain it to me in a way where I understand. When she was reading it, it was kind of like a different language to me.
You put it on this white.
Babe, everything in here is that.
Okay.
Looks like Isaiah is taking matters into his own hands.
I'm actually just putting it together because
Oh,
I don't
so
know
it's not
what-
already
I
together.
don't know what. It's like the picture that you see. Imagine if a bomb was in the middle of it.
You know all the nails that you have? They should be lined up where it's like a long nail.
It's not lined up though. Babe.
Okay, as much as I enjoy watching them struggle, I think it's time for a clue. Brooke and Isaiah, we are now giving you access to clue number 1.
Thank God.
Oh, snaps. All right. What's in yours?
Okay, so the first clue I have, it says that the thing that I was referencing, it's 14 and a half inches and then 16 and a half inches.
Mine is a measuring tape. Haha, use this clue wisely.
The piece that I was telling you earlier that looked like a white square, in length is 14 and a half inches. Y'all got us working today, babe.
Every little thing is gonna be alright. Oh, it's a drawer.
Yeah, it's a drawer. I see something it's like a round circle that says unfinished wood.
Okay.
I'm not sure if that would help.
Brooke, I wonder if that piece of info would have been helpful 20 minutes ago, girl.
I need you to help me with understanding these screws.
Oh yeah, they completely took away the numbers because the numbers have identifiers. They really want us communicating. But it is frustrating because it's like, the screw. And he's like, what screw? I'm like, the screw right here. And he's like, what screw right there? Because they had it all mixed up on the other side, this on that side, this on the other side, just to shake it up. So we were shook. This is like a counseling session for us.
T-E-A-M. Teamwork. Hold on. Are there one set of directions or 2?
I have a clue set of directions and then I have a non-clue set of directions.
So we're building one thing. Word.
Word.
Okay, now I'm getting
Things.
smart. Let me see something. Nope.
I can't take this anymore. Let's help them out with another clue. Brooke, you may open clue number 2.
Hopefully it says peek your head over. Look for pieces with red dots. So all the pieces that have red dots, you can take them out. They're here to confuse us.
That makes a lot of sense now.
I bet Isaiah is glad to get those out of the way. You can actually see the floor now.
You're doing amazing, sweetie. I know your cognitive skills are gonna get us through.
Thank you. Aw, I'm enjoying your company, sweetie.
Oh my God.
Yay.
Aw, aren't they just the cutest?
How much time do we have left?
30 minutes and 56 seconds. This reminds me of like trigonometry or something intense. Like numbers, explain as much as I can. You know what I mean? Rectangle, circle, triangle. It gets, I'm just so visual that when you start bringing in numbers and signs and stuff like that, it gets a little technical. Do you think we're doing a good job communicating?
I think you're doing a good job keeping me company. No, this is good. We're doing good.
And then
you said it's 2 drawers?
Yeah.
Like it's 2 pull-out parts?
Uh-huh.
Okay.
So do you see the flathead nail that has like a round, flat butt?
How much time we got left?
We have 20 minutes and 20 seconds.
Oh.
So with the metal, it's the tiniest. Okay, you know when you say a little bit and you put your hand together like that? It's literally could fit right in there. Size nail.
Oh my goodness gracious. I did it and it worked.
Okay,
I know what
great.
you're talking about.
Great.
You said it's 2 of them.
So, let me
Like,
see.
is it an open part or is like literally 2 drawers?
Brooke, you get to pick 4 pages from the manual that you can pass over to Isaiah, and he gets to look for 30 seconds.
Gosh. Okay, so I did the first 2 and the last 2.
It's only 1 drawer. I know my girlfriend. So I knew there was only 1 drawer. There's been altercations of me not listening. So I said, there are 2 drawers. It's okay though. We're cooling with time.
Time's up. Please pass the sheets back over to Brooke.
Here we go.
Do you feel like I gave you good pages for reference?
Yeah, that was perfect. I think you had pretty good judgment. That was perfect. It was like she knew exactly what I needed.
Time is running out, and this last clue is sure to shake things up. Isaiah, I just want to tell you that the knob you are attaching is a wrong knob.
Yes.
There's more than 1 knob over there.
Yep. You understand now?
Isaiah, you may open clue box number 3.
Brooke, you was about to open the box.
I looked in everything.
We gotta play that one back.
You have 6 seconds left, 6 minutes left.
All right.
I need to see what's going on over there.
Don't be blind, it's nothing new. Your partner can see what's in plain view.
View.
What's going on?
Brooke, honey, we said in plain view, not in hidden view.
Blake. They said it's in plain view.
Could you
That's how you trick them.
put it
in their
right
face.
in plain view?
Lord Jesus. Oh, I see a picture of a window. Do you see a window over there?
When did this window get here?
What's in it?
I don't know. I'm gonna look back later and I'll see when y'all put the window in there because it wasn't in there all the time.
The instructions?
Oh. Dum 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 dum.
It's the instruction.
The safe isn't just a prop. Ha 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 ha. It was the knob.
We're literally like Spy Kids right now.
No, literally.
Shark Boy and Lava Girl.
I thought you were about to say shark bait. Ooh ha.
Shark Big, ooh-ah.
How much time do we have?
4 minutes.
Oops.
Oops.
I
Did it again.
Nothing like a little Britney Spears to set the mood.
What just happened? Babe, were you okay?
Yeah, I'm good.
Did you fall?
No, something broke.
You're not even fixing anything. So what could have broke?
1 minute, Isaiah.
This couple better pick up the pace.
Oh my. I just gotta get this piece out of here.
Let's go, Isaiah.
There it is.
Woo!
Swoop, there it is. Swoop, there it is.
I mean, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Time's up. Unfortunately, Isaiah and Brooke, you didn't finish the project in the given time.
Babe!
see all these other pieces
First of all,
I had?
this is so tiny. Okay.
I love you.
I love you too.
You did really good.
You did too.
Okay.
Despite not completing the build, you both showed great support, patience, and teamwork.
This is intense.
I would say that we have passed the DIY connection because of the fact that even through the miscommunications, we still kept a positive attitude. I had her there to catch me if anything falls.
I would agree. I would say that I'm very happy to have done this with you. You're a great partner, and I love being on your team.
Oh.
I would recommend the audience to come to the show, especially if you're in partnership with someone. This is a great way to test your communication and to see where you're strong at and to see where you're not as strong at. And I think you could go home and apply it to become better. I feel like we're leaving stronger. So I would recommend anybody to come here and give it a little test. Thank you.
Thank you for having us. I was like,
I was trying to give you a hug.
oh, well.